Hi everybody, and thanks for watching my channel here. On today's episode of Dad Goes to Work, I brought my little buddy. There he is. Today we're going to be working on a back porch that's suffered a lot of wood rot. So basically what happened is the plants got wet, the dirt got wet, the wood got wet, the termites got hungry, the termites ate the wood, and now there's no wood. We're going to have to replace that wood, Gideon, fix it all up.
Yep.
Well, that's what we're going to do. Well, technically I got one more stop to make. The dump. Well, I guess that brings this episode of Dad Goes to Work to a close. We'll see you next time, huh? Also, today's hat has been brought to you by Bright Future Solar Energy, meeting all your solar energy needs. If you got a question, they have an answer. Give them a call. Bright Future Solar Energy. I'll put their contact information down below, down here.